Touching a fallen baby bird will not make its mother abandon it. That common warning you heard growing up is a total lie. Almost all bird species have a terrible sense of smell. Most birds rely entirely on vision and sound, with olfactory brains so small they could barely smell a rotting fish, let alone a trace of human skin. Parent birds spend weeks building nests, incubating eggs, and hunting for food. They will not throw all that energy away over a faint scent. If you find a tiny, featherless chick that fell from its nest, leaving it on the cold ground to die because you are afraid to touch it is the real mistake. Picking it up and placing it back in the nest could actually save its life.